what I got here is a 14 megapixel Olympus camera. It's I just got it. I don't like it, so I'm going to use this, and I'm going to crush it. No, actually, I didn't just buy it because I didn't like it. I actually messed it up, and the lens won't close. It was I bent it, and it was screwed up. So I'm going to make a little video of me screwing around. I'm going to put it in this, and then slowly see what happens. Hey, it turned on. It's getting a little hard. It's starting to buckle in at one side here. You can see the lens coming out of there. The lens is cracking. I didn't have a forklift readily available. I should tighten it down, huh? Yeah, there goes the lens. It fell out, I don't know why. Anyways, that's that's what's left of it. It's just pieces falling over the floor. Ah well. The Vise, good for holding and good for crushing.